One issue we're running into more and more is our current clients and sometimes potential callers have taken to ChatGPT or artificial intelligence to get answers to their legal questions or concerns. And that raises a big red flag, a big problem for us trying to represent injured workers in their cases, because it can be very confusing when the advice that we give as experienced lawyers who handle workers' compensation cases in Alabama may conflict with what Google, artificial intelligence, or ChatGPT may have already informed the injured worker. And now let me give you an example. Sometimes in a case, when an injured worker resolves their workers' comp claim, they might have what is called an MSA, a Medicare Set-Aside Arrangement. And it's a complicated post-case situation where a certain sum of money is being set aside for the medical care needed for the injuries related to the case. And typically it's going to be professionally administered by an insurance company that is designed to handle these monies. We have several videos that explain further how MSAs work. Well, if a client or a caller puts into ChatGPT or into Google, what happens to the money? How does the payments get made? What happens to the money at the end of the case? And several other related issues. ChatGPT and Google don't know the specifics about your particular case. And they may give conflicting information with the way Alabama law works, or the way that the negotiations are going in the case, and the like. So it just raises confusion, and then it takes more time on our behalf to be able to kind of sort those things out. So what I'm trying to say is, don't rely on Google, don't rely on ChatGPT or artificial intelligence. Do rely on experienced attorneys who handle workers' compensation cases like those at the Nomberg law firm. We can be reached at 205-930-6900. That's our office number. Or check us out on nomberglaw.com on the web.